Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your physical DU SIM card into an eSIM using the 2026 updated method. So moving to an eSIM is a great way to free up your SIM slot for travel or to use two numbers on one phone. You can do this entire process in just a few minutes. So here is how you can do it. So first of all, you need to ensure that your smartphone is compatible with the eSIM technology and that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. You can check the compatibility of your device by going to the settings in your device, or you can also take a look at it on the device's official website whether it is compatible for the eSIM or not. So once you have done that, simply open your DU mobile application on your phone. Over here, log in with the help of your UAE pass. Once you have done that, you will be shown the profile option in the bottom right hand corner. When you tap on it, simply look for the option of manage SIM card. After that, select the option of swap to eSIM or switch to eSIM. So the application is going to ask you to verify your identity one more time. Since you already logged in your account, you will simply need to confirm the request via your UAE Pass application. This digital signature confirms that you are the legal owner of the line and authorizes the swap. Next, you will see the summary of the requests. So in 2026, DU typically charges a one-time fee of 20 dirhams plus VAT for the conversion, though they often run promotions where it is free. You need to confirm the payment if required, and the application will generate a new digital SIM profile. Finally, tap on the option of install eSIM button that appears on the home screen. Your phone will take you to its cellular settings. Just follow the prompts, that is add cellular plan. Once the installation is finished, your old physical SIM will stop working automatically. You can then remove the plastic card from your phone and you can restart the device to finalize the setup. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.